In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on WhatsApp. Basically, you want to appear offline when you're literally online. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So just make sure you watch this video until the end. And if you're a fan of phone tech tips, tricks, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. So all you have to do is, boom, watch the video until the end. So open your WhatsApp, tap right there in those three dots. Then you're going to see the word settings. Tap on settings. Tap on settings, and then you're going to see account, chats, notifications. All you have to do is you're going to select chats. You're going to select not chats, account. Definitely, I was just saying if you're attentive. So after tapping on account, you're going to tap on, you will see privacy, security, and then we should tap on privacy. So now this is what you're going to follow. So all you're going to do is, first you're going to see the word last seen down below. That's what you're going to start with. We're going to turn that to nobody. That means no one can see that we are offline. That's the first step you're going to do. So turn that to nobody. That will show that we are not, the last scene will be nobody. That means they will not see anything, but we shall literally be online. Then the second part, we are going to turn this to, we are going to convert this to, the next one will be my status privacy. So now check this, what happens. So that means if I post any status, no one can see it. But that's weird. So tap on share, only share with, and then just make sure you don't select any contacts right there, and then you're going to tap that tick there. There you go. After tapping that, that will be the second option we have just done. So if you're picking for this video, just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. So then you're going to tap on that done to make sure we save this, the private setting we've just done. And then now the last one is we're going to toggle this off, this read receipts. So basically, when you turn this off, that means when you send a message to anyone, there will be no blue ticks. You get that? So if you turn that off, that means if you send a message to anyone, there will be no blue ticks, and literally people will not know that you're online. Okay, so that's how you can appear offline on WhatsApp. So you can check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.